Hi, hello and welcome. Today's recipe is prawn and mango curry. You will surely love this mildly spicy, tangy and coconutty curry. Be ready with an extra portion of rice because you're going to need it. Come, let's start. Now introducing the ingredients for the prawn and mango curry. Nearly 400 grams of prawns cleaned and deveined with the tails intact. I cut out 105 grams of a green unripe mango from my mango tree. Let's now cut the mango into finger shapes. Don't cut the mango too thin because we don't want the mango to dissolve in the curry. We next have 1 cup of grated coconut. Let's start by grinding the grated coconut. We'll grind this with half a big onion chopped, 3 green bird's eye chillies, 2 teaspoons chilli powder and 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Now let's grind this into a smooth paste. Off to the stove now. To start with, I have a clay pot on medium heat. Let's boil 1 cup of water with a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. This is the water with which I rinse the grinder after grinding the coconut paste. Let's now wait for this turmeric water to come to a boil. Boil for 2 minutes after the water comes to a boil. Then add the ground coconut mixture. Stir for a bit. Then add 1 cup of water and salt to taste. After which you stir and bring the coconut mixture to a boil. Once the coconut mixture comes to a boil, reduce the flame and cook for 2 minutes. Add the mango pieces after 2 minutes. We'll then leave the mango to cook in the coconut mixture on a medium heat. While that's happening, let me show you the mango tree from which that mango came. This is the tree, but there are no more mangoes because we harvested all the mangoes that were there. But what we have now are mango flowers, so more mangoes to expect. After about 3 minutes, check to see if the mango is nearly done. Then add the prawns, stir them in, then leave them to cook for 4 minutes on a medium flame. After 4 minutes, judging by how much water has been released by the prawns, add hot water to your desired consistency. I'm adding 100 ml of hot water. However, don't make the prawn curry too watery. Turn the stove off after 4 minutes. Then add 1 tablespoon of virgin coconut oil or any coconut oil and 3 stalks of fresh green curry leaves. Then stir gently to combine. Oh, sorry, you have to add nearly a quarter teaspoon of fenugreek powder before the coconut oil and the curry leaves. My apologies. Finally, cover and let the prawn curry rest for about 15 minutes. Prawn and mango curry just for you. Please do try this at home. Thank you for watching. Bye for now and keep safe.